Hey guys, welcome again on my YouTube channel. Today in this video I review on MI Watch Revolve. Please watch this video till end. Please like this video and subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon for more interesting videos. So MI Watch Revolve is priced at 10,999 in Indian rupees. MI Watch Revolve is the first smartwatch from Xiaomi to launch in India, and it looks as thought the company has been doing its homework. The MI Watch Revolve sports some interesting hardware which is not common in wearable. At this price point, it runs proprietary software and is capable of tracking multiple exercise to top it all of. Xiaomi claims standby time of 2 weeks, so you should not have a charge this watch frequently. Xiaomi has priced the MI Watch Revolve at 10,999 rupees in India, seems which seems quite aggressive. So is this the smartwatch for you? I have reviewed the MI Watch Revolve to find out MI Watch Revolve find out our design and specifications. Xiaomi has got the basis right. When it comes to design, you get a circular display with a thin black bezel surrounding it. This is packed inside a shiny metal body with two buttons on the right. The button on the top is the power button, and it can also be used to bringing up minus menus while using the watch. The second button is a shortcut key and can be assigned to a quick workout or a different function of your choosing. Both these buttons offer solid clicky feedback. The Mi Watch Revolve has a 46 case, which makes it bigger than some of the other wearable you get in the market. Wheel the big display is easy to read and packs in more content on each screen. It could look and feel too big if you have skinny hands. You might also accidentally hit the watch wheel walking around, something I did in the first few days that I was using it. Xiaomi has raised the case around the 1.39-inch AMOLED display, which helps keep it safe in the event of the accidental knocks. There is Corning Gorilla Glass 3 with an anti-scratch coating for protection as well. After 15 days of use, I can say that there are no scratches on the display of my review unit. You can choose between midnight black and chrome silver cases when buying this smartwatch. I had a chrome silver unit with the Neptune blue strap. The strap is 22 mm in width and can be swapped for any standard 2020 m 22 strap. Xiaomi has used quick release pins to attach it to the watch legs, so it can be removed easily without using any tools. Mm, Turn the watch around and you will find a heart rate sensor in the center of the rear with one contact point on either side for charging. Xiaomi offers GPS and GLONASS on the Mi Watch Revolve, which let it track walks and run without needing to be paired to a smartphone. It also has Bluetooth 5 LE for connectivity and an embedded light sensor to adjust the screen brightness automatically. Superly, the Mi Watch Revolve is not too heavy. It weight around 60 gram with the including strap, wheel, the body along along with 40 grams. However, it does feel bulky and sleepy. Sleeping a wheel wearing this big watch is not easy.